All right, hi guys. So today we're going to be texturing our lamp. As you can see, I've already got kind of an example for you to just look at. So go ahead and just open up your Maya file right now, and we'll go ahead and get started. So first things first, go ahead and just select all your objects and do edit, delete, all by type history. So just get rid of that construction history. And then go ahead and go to Arnold and then click on your sky dome so we have some lighting. And then first, I'm going to go ahead and just select all of these objects, which were all of our kind of like metal parts in there. So I'm going to make those guys black. So go ahead and hold your right mouse button down and go down to Assign New Material. Click on Shader, AI Standard Surface, and make those guys black. Next, I want to go ahead and texture this. So go into Face Mode, and I think you can kind of just get away with double clicking. Yeah, if you just start double clicking, it'll select all of that upper half for you. And then same thing, hold right click, do Assign New Material, Shader, AI Standard Surface, and I'm going to leave it white because I think I like when the lampshade is a white shade. Next, we're going to be selecting these faces. So you can just select kind of like however many you can get up there. And then go ahead and select the rest of them down here. It looks like I'm missing some. Actually, let's do it this way. Go ahead and just do the same thing. Hold tab and just double click so it gets all of them. And then hold shift and you're going to drag a box down here. And then just make sure to select these guys again. So now we have this whole pole. Go ahead and hold right click and we're going to do Assign Existing Material. And then we're just going to assign everything to that black color, which I think was my number 6. Yeah. All right, and then I'm going to select these faces down here, do Assign New Material, and I'm going to do like a brown color probably. Nothing too crazy, something like that. Oh, I missed those guys up here. Make sure you selected all of your faces because I missed that. So hold shift. There we go. Assign New Material. And give it whatever color you want your base to be. And then if you click 7, you can see how those colors turned out. So that's basically it for our lamp tutorial. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And I will see you guys next time for our next tutorial. Bye guys.